Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix music fail to play track error in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear music cache. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Search music. Now click on music player, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, music clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, install power ramp. Open Play Store, click on search power ramp, click on power ramp. Here you will see power ramp, and if you want to install power ramp, then click on install. After click on install, power ramp will be installed from your phone. This is how you can fix music fail to play track error in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.